こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌です。今日はね、we're talking about the language immersion part 2 or 3. Immerse yourself with the language that you are learning. The best way is to go to Japan and live in Japan, but with coronas and everything, it's a little bit hard right now. So you can do digital language immersion, online language immersion with no cost right now with all these technologies and fantastic websites and apps we have. So today we are introducing online radio box. This is an awesome radio station. It has lots of radio stations from all over Japan, and this is one of the way I introduce you to immerse yourself. The online radio box, I'll put the link down below for you so you can just click and go straight into the website. The great things, probably the first thing you can do is go to genre and pick the music that you like. So say, maybe you like pop music, you like J-pop, and here's a J-pop station here for you. So this one means it's from Tokyo, and J-pop Japanese top 40. So this is a music station, and you can listen to music. Like so. So if you like the music, you can keep listening to the music and so on. But what I want to point out today is go to genre again. This news talk. Music is really good, but I love you to go to news talk and talk and click Japan. Here's all the talk radio station. I'm sure there's a lot more, but the selections here, which is really good because you don't have to go through thousands of radio station. So you can pick radio station from here. It says pop, news, talk, classic, ethic, and it tells you what they're talking about. And if you feel like listening to this one, just click on this.
今日のね、参加されている方なんかのお話聞くと、その年齢層が結構幅広いじゃないですか。
そうですね。ですから、小さなお子さん、お母さん、そしてお年寄り、それからね、元気に卓球やる人、
そうですね、
趣味でクラリネット吹く人って、ある意味南小見線の要素がほぼすべて戻ったって感じですかね。
ようやくというところあります。ただ
ようやく。
So this one was a interview on the phone. You can hear a normal way of speaking Japanese, not an anime way or TV drama way, or not from the CD or the audio from your textbook. This is how normal people speak. So it's a really good way to kind of listening to this while you're doing something. Say you're cleaning or cooking or maybe working or studying. Have it softly in the background and kind of immerse yourself with the sound of Japanese people talking and how the people react to each other and things in different tone of voice for male, young male to older male. And this one was a jazz station. So they're talking about jazz and instrument and things like that. So you can pick up vocabulary from different topics. So it's a great way to immerse yourself. And there's a variety of radio station to choose from. And the talk radio station is what I would recommend. They usually mix with music. Like this one had jazz and news and talk. And I'm sure you can find the one that you like. And also another thing you can do is go back to home And region, these all regions here, these are the all prefectures of Japan. So these are all the local radio station. So if you have traveled to Japan and you've been to some of the places, it's a really good idea to listen in to their local radio, and if you can pick up any local locations name or famous places name or so on. Or if you're inspired to go to some places in Japan, for example, I love to go to Okinawa. I want to check out Okinawa local radio station and so on. And what interesting thing that you can do is you can hear the dialect for advanced students. From the obvious one is Osaka area. They'll have different Osaka Ben. They have different dialect to the Tokyo or the other parts of Japan, and you can hear clearly on even on the radio station. Radio station, they try to be kind of neutral, but you can hear the accent, stronger accent around Kansai region, around Osaka, Wakayama, and Nara and Kyoto. They have all different dialect. So advanced students, listen in and see if you can pick up any direct difference, the intonation difference and things, which is really interesting for you too. So today we're going to check out Wakayama Radio. This one here, Banana FM.
後ろにです。膝を曲げて、今度はちょうど足の甲を後ろで持っていただくような状態。はい、これも結構バランスですよね。いけてますね。で、大丈夫だなっていう方はね、ぜひこの持った状態で膝を前後ろ、膝を前後ろと、
Okay, this is
こう
really
まっすぐまっ
interesting.
すぐというのをね、しっ
Talking
かり意識
about
して前後ろ前後ろ
exercising. I think it's for like senior
OK です。
citizens.
反対側も行きましょう。
It's
はい
very
しっ
interesting
かり
to
と
figure out
足の
what
甲
they're
を持ってい
talking
ただいて
about.
ぐーっと
And,
太ももの
yeah,
前面をし
this
っかり
one
伸ば
is
します。
about
伸ばした後
exercising.
は今度は膝を前後ろ前。
Okay. And in terms of genre, you can also pick something like anime and anything that you prefer to listen to. Go back to genre and anime. There's your anime radio station. And there's also things like a Final Fantasy radio station, which is really interesting. So they play songs from Final Fantasy.
が早いですよね。あっという間にって皆さんおっしゃってると思いますけど、
本当にそうですよね。
何もしないのにあっという間に終わってしまう。
私も同じフレーズさっき片付けの先生に言いました。
あ、そうですか。
何もし
And
ないうちに今
female
年終わっちゃ
male
うって
voice.
言いました。
If you can pick up any
先
words.
生は
はい。
クリスマスプレゼント自分にもらえるとしたら何が
ク
欲
リスマス
しいですか？
プレゼント。
私は今日クリスマス
You can download Apple Store and Google Play with this online radio box app for free, and you can have it on your phone or you can have it on your PC or Mac to have it in the background of your everyday life and start your everyday immersion with Japanese. It is the app version of Radio Box. You can click on Radio Box and hit and press Asia, Japan, and these are all the prefectures, the local radio station you can pick from. Otherwise, you can go to genre down the bottom and pick the one that you want to listen to. You can go for what I was recommending you before is news and talk. These are all the talk radio stations that you can listen to. So, for example, let's listen to this one here.
犠牲にする必要は全くないと思うんだけど、どう
Like mic, so that was a very talkative radio station. I think they were talking about someone's ringing in to discuss their problems and trying to help give advice to things like that. Was a little bit too talkative, but you can listen to a little bit slower one or that one that is mixed with music. Hope this would help you immerse yourself in Japanese, and thank you always for watching. And if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you. またね。ありがとう。じゃあね。